Maltego. Maltego is a comprehensive tool for graphical link analysis that offers real-time data mining and information gathering, as well as the representation of this information on a node-based graph, making patterns and multiple order connections between said information easily identifiable. It offers the ability to easily connect data and functionalities from diverse sources using transforms. Via the Transform Hub, you can connect data from over 30 data partners, a variety of public sources such as OSINT, as well as your own data. Let's have its demonstration right now. Here we will execute Maltego. It will start the application, and as you can see, it has provided with three options: Maltego Excel, Maltego Classic and Maltego CE, which is free. We'll go with Maltego CE free version. It will ask us to accept the license agreement, provide the email address, the password, followed by the CAPTCHA. As you can see, it says your API key is valid and it is logged in. It asks us whether to use the default system browser or not. I said yes, and let us proceed. It asks us to update the Maltego app. You have started updating the application. Once it is done, it will ask you to restart the application. I have restarted it. Now, as you can see, here are the entities for affiliation. These are the entities for general. There are plenty of entities. People, you find various entities. Technology related entities. And here are the icons that will be used during the transforms. Threads related entities, transportation location related entities, user specific entities. Let's start a new graph. As you can see, on the right hand side it shows overview, detailed view and property views, etc. On the left hand side you have entity palette. Let's select the entity as person. Let's change the name. Let's change it to Mark Zuckerberg. Now click over that and select for particular information. As you can see, it has collected 3 different email addresses. And let's say I'll try to find MySpace account. It has found out Mark Zuckerberg account. Let's click over that and select social accounts using name check. Here is a list for Mark Zuckerberg. I changed the layout for easy visibility. Here is account for blogger. Similarly for Facebook. Likewise, plenty of accounts are there. Let's click on Twitter and search for Twitter account of Zuckerberg. For YouTube, to URL transformation shows here are the links. Let us start a new graph, this time for particular domain paterva.com. Let's try to collect DNS name. Here are the 3 DNS names that we are able to find. Let's try to find MX, that is Mail Exchanger Records. Here are the mail exchanger records for this particular domain. This time let's try to find the name servers for this particular domain name. We have found couple of them. Let's try to find email addresses. As you can see, we have found out couple of email addresses. Let's try to find files, rather interesting files. Here, as you can see, it has collected the data. Here is the URL for the same from Wayback Machine website. Let's try to collect phone numbers from Whoisinfo for this particular domain. Here are the phone numbers. Likewise, let's try to find out to the website associated to this domain. Here is the website associated to this particular domain. If I try to run transforms from this website and mirror or external links found from this website, let's see what is the output. So here are the external links from this particular website, as can be seen. Let's try to find out the IP address for this DNS. Here is the IP address we could find, and as you can see, we can collect plenty of information to get a rough idea about that particular website and the infrastructure of the domain.